Tonight we're witnessing a quiet revolution in how we present ideas. This transformation is reshaping the landscape of communication, making it more dynamic and accessible than ever before. Across boardrooms, classrooms, and home offices, the old way of building slides is fading fast. The traditional methods, once considered the backbone of presentations, are being replaced by innovative technologies. Artificial intelligence is now creating entire presentations in seconds. This technology is not just a tool, it's a game changer, allowing users to focus on content rather than design. No more staring at blank slides or wrestling with design choices. The frustration of starting from scratch is a thing of the past, as AI takes the reins in crafting visually appealing slides. Imagine speaking your idea and seeing a polished, ready-to-share presentation appear instantly. This seamless process transforms how we communicate, making it more intuitive and efficient. This isn't just about saving time, it's about making great communication accessible to everyone. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a student, these tools level the playing field. The power to persuade, to win contracts, or ace a thesis is no longer limited by design skills. It's about the strength of your ideas and how effectively you can convey them. Tools like Gamma.app are democratizing design, putting professional storytelling in your hands. These platforms empower users to create compelling narratives with ease. Now, your idea, not your slide skills, takes center stage. The focus shifts from the medium to the message, allowing your creativity to shine. It's about efficiency, but more importantly, it's about empowerment. With these tools, anyone can become a master communicator, breaking down barriers to effective presentation. Tonight, we pull back the curtain on Gamma.app, a leader in this AI-powered revolution. This software is at the forefront, offering features that redefine how we create and share ideas. Is it as good as it sounds? Let's find out. Join us as we delve into the capabilities of this groundbreaking tool and explore its potential. The future of presentation starts now. Embrace this change and discover how it can transform your communication, making it more impactful and engaging than ever before. So, what exactly is Gamma.app? It's an AI-powered alternative to traditional slide decks. Think of it as your creative partner. You provide the ideas, Gamma handles formatting, design, and layout. Just type a prompt, and Gamma generates a complete outline, writes the text, and finds images, all in under a minute. The result isn't a static slide deck, but an interactive web-like presentation you can share with a simple link. No more file compatibility headaches or bulky attachments. Gamma's goal: eliminate the bottleneck of presentation creation. The AI does the heavy lifting so you can focus on refining your message and preparing your delivery. It's about moving from idea to shareable creation fast. Gamma is your co-creator, freeing you from tedious design work. Spend less time clicking, more time thinking. Who benefits most from Gamma? The answer might surprise you, because Gamma isn't just for one type of person or profession. It's a powerful tool designed to help a wide range of people work smarter, not harder. Take students, for example. Racing against deadlines, juggling multiple assignments, and trying to keep up with research can be overwhelming. With Gamma, students can transform scattered research notes into polished, visually stunning presentations in just minutes, freeing up time for studying or even a well-deserved break. Entrepreneurs and founders too find Gamma invaluable. When you need to impress investors or partners, Gamma helps you generate professional, eye-catching pitch decks that truly stand out. No more stressing over design or formatting, just focus on your big ideas and let Gamma handle the rest. Marketers and content creators can repurpose existing materials or craft fresh, engaging content for blogs, social media, and campaigns fast. Gamma's intuitive tools make it easy to keep up with the ever-changing demands of digital marketing. Corporate professionals, managers, analysts, sales teams save hours every week on reports, proposals, and team updates. Gamma streamlines the process so you can focus on strategy and results instead of formatting documents. By streamlining workflows and boosting productivity, Gamma lets you concentrate on what truly matters: your goals, your creativity, and your impact. Whether you're a student, a startup founder, a marketer, or a manager, Gamma is designed for anyone who values their time and wants to get more done with less effort. It's not just a tool, it's a productivity multiplier that empowers you to achieve more, faster, and with greater confidence. Now, high-quality, visually compelling work is within everyone's reach, regardless of your background or experience with design. No more late nights wrestling with slides or worrying about making your work look professional. Gamma takes care of the details so you can rest easy. Gamma is for anyone who wants to communicate better, faster, and with more impact, whether you're sharing ideas with a team or presenting to a crowd. The playing field is finally level. Gamma gives everyone the same powerful tools, so your ideas can shine no matter who you are. Who wouldn't want that advantage? With Gamma, you're not just keeping up, you're getting ahead. What makes Gamma stand out? First, AI slide generation. Give it a prompt, and Gamma structures your narrative, writes content, and designs slides in minutes. Second, one-click design themes. Instantly transform your presentation's look without any design skills. Third, interactivity. Embed videos, GIFs, apps, and even web pages directly into your deck. Your audience can engage with demos, data, or prototypes right inside the presentation. The result? Presentations that are dynamic, not static. Most importantly, Gamma saves you hours. What used to take half a day now takes 10 minutes. That's more time to rehearse, refine, and strategize. Gamma isn't just about making slides, it's about making time. The tedious parts are automated so you can focus on your message. It's a smarter, faster way to present, and it's changing the game. Ready to try Gamma? Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, Gamma is designed to make your presentation creation process smoother and more enjoyable than ever before. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you get started and make the most out of Gamma's powerful features. First, head over to Gamma.app and sign up for a free account. Once you're in, select the option to create a new presentation. This is where your creative journey begins. You'll notice a prompt box on your screen. This is your direct line to Gamma's AI. Here you can describe exactly what you want your presentation to be about. Be as specific as possible. Instead of just typing marketing plan, try something like a 10-slide marketing plan for a vegan coffee shop in Brooklyn, covering audience, social media, launch ideas, and KPIs. The more details you provide, the more tailored and relevant your presentation will be. Remember, the more information you give, the better the results Gamma can generate for you. Don't be afraid to include your goals, target audience, or any special requirements. Once you've entered your prompt, Gamma will suggest an outline. Take a moment to review and tweak it. Add or remove sections, rearrange slides, or clarify your main points. When you're satisfied, simply hit the Generate button. In less than a minute, Gamma's AI will create a complete draft for you, including text, layouts, and even relevant images. It's like having a creative assistant working at lightning speed. Now it's time to refine your presentation. Edit the text to match your voice. Swap out images for ones that better fit your message, and add your own insights or data to make the presentation truly yours. Next, personalize the design. With just one click, you can apply different themes, color schemes, and layouts to perfectly match your brand, topic, or personal style. When you're happy with your deck, sharing is effortless. Send a simple link to colleagues or clients, or present directly from your browser. No downloads or complicated software required. With Gamma, you can go from a rough idea to a polished, shareable presentation in just minutes, not hours or days. Gamma makes the entire process simple, fast, and even fun. You'll spend less time struggling with slides and more time focusing on your message. Say goodbye to blank slides and wasted hours. With Gamma, you get real results, quickly, easily, and with confidence. To get the best from Gamma, master the art of the prompt. The AI is literal. Vague prompts give vague results. Add context, audience, key takeaways, number of slides. For example, instead of space, try create an 8-slide presentation for middle schoolers on the challenges of colonizing Mars, covering radiation, atmosphere, water, and psychology. You can also paste your own notes or articles and ask Gamma to turn them into a presentation. The AI will organize and design your content, saving you hours. Don't settle for the first draft. Iterate and refine. Use Gamma's editing tools to rewrite, condense, or swap images. Think of the AI as your collaborator, not your replacement. The better your prompt, the better your presentation. Guide the AI and you'll get results that match your vision, fast. It's all about clear instructions and smart iteration. AI is fast, but your human touch makes a presentation memorable. AI drafts can feel generic. Add your voice, stories, and insights. Personalize the narrative, weave in your experiences and anecdotes. These moments connect with your audience in ways AI can't. Always fact-check and verify the AI's content. Your credibility depends on accuracy. Double-check stats and claims. Use the time Gamma saves to rehearse and refine your delivery. Great presentations are about more than slides. They're about how you present them. Practice, anticipate questions, and bring your passion. The slides support you, but you're the main event. Combine AI efficiency with your authenticity for maximum impact. The result? Presentations that are both polished and powerful. Let AI handle the structure. Your job is to make it unforgettable. Gamma isn't perfect. Know its limits. Free plans use a credit system. Heavy users may need to upgrade. Exporting to PDF or PowerPoint often requires a paid plan. Design themes are fast, but popular ones can look generic if overused. For truly unique branding, a human designer may still be best. AI-generated content can be shallow on niche or technical topics. Add your expertise. Gamma is cloud-based, so you need an internet connection. Offline editing isn't an option like with traditional software. Weigh these trade-offs before you dive in. Use Gamma for speed and structure, but bring your own depth and style. Here's the bottom line. Gamma.app is a leap forward in how we create and share ideas. AI handles the structure and design, letting you focus on your message. For students, entrepreneurs, and professionals, it's a game changer. But it's not a magic wand. Your expertise and voice are still essential. The best results come from combining AI speed with human insight. Know its limits, use it wisely, and you'll communicate more powerfully than ever. The revolution is here. Will you let AI help build your next big pitch? The choice is yours. Share your thoughts below.